Hey friends! Look at this awesome puzzle with professions and shapes! I'm so excited to play with it! Oh no, what's happening? All the puzzle pieces are gone! What do we do now? We gotta find every single piece, guys! Let's go! A little house? Knock knock! No one's answering. But what if we try these keys? The lock is yellow. Let's use the yellow key. Huh, it's a yellow pig! Next one, a blue lock. So we need the blue key. It's a blue bear! There's something else! A fashion designer. We got back one profession, yay! A fashion designer creates beautiful clothes. Let's keep going. Look at this pink lock. Where's our pink key? Here it is. Oh, it's a pink mouse. And a puzzle piece. It's a journalist. A journalist tells us the latest news. Let's continue. A green lock and the green key. What a cute green cat. Oh, I see a piece of the puzzle. It's a loader. A loader loads and unloads goods in a warehouse. A xylophone. Shall we play some music? Why not? Wow, look at this! We've got a trapezoid. A star. And a violinist! We're so lucky, guys. Oops, wrong. That's better. What does a violinist do? A violinist plays the violin. What do we have here? Loads of letters. What if we pick some of them? R. O. C. K. E. T. Rocket. Great job. And this is our reward. It's an astronaut. An astronaut explores space. Do you know what car it is? Right! It's a fire truck. And this is a firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires. They're very brave. How about this car? What is it? Yep, it's a police car. And this is a police officer. A police officer protects the city and its people. And what about this car? You're right. It's an ambulance. Wow, these are a nurse and a doctor. Doctors and nurses help sick people get well again. How do you feel about some digging? Let's give it a try. Nothing so far. Aha, I see something. Let's check it out. It's a surveyor. A surveyor makes sure everything is in the right place at a construction site. Let's keep digging. I see something. Yes, here it is. It's a soldier. A soldier protects the country from danger and harm. Do you think we can find anything else? Look at this, a pentagon! Here it goes. I hope that's not all. I was right. It's a triangle. And this is its spot. Whoa, a starfish. Its shape is a star. A turtle. A squid. An octopus. This is a dolphin. This cutie is a seahorse. This is a fish. And this is a crab. Look, guys. It's a fisherman. A fisherman uses a fishing rod to catch fish. Oh, numbers! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is minus. Plus. Equal. This is a hexagon. A circle. A triangle. A multiplication sign. A square. And a star. Well done, friends. Yay, we've got a puzzle piece. It's a teacher. A teacher teaches students and shares knowledge. Ah, I know. It's a pie. The letter P. Ice cream. The letter I. An egg. The letter E. Pie! And this person makes pies. It's a baker. A baker makes yummy bread and cakes. This color is yellow. Another profession. It's a flight attendant. A flight attendant helps passengers during the flight. The next color, green. It's an athlete. An athlete runs, jumps, and plays sports. And this color? Right, it's blue. It's one more puzzle piece. An engineer! An engineer designs machines and buildings. This color is purple. And what's this? Ah, it's a square. Let's put this square in its place. This bucket is empty. Let's fill it. Green grapes. Nothing happens. What if I add a bit of magic? Woohoo! It's an IT specialist. An IT specialist fixes computer problems. Next, orange butterflies. Abracadabra. Huh? Still nothing. Well, okay. Yellow bananas. Abracadabra. Magic didn't work here. Blue flowers. Abracadabra. Hooray! Worked this time. It's a circle. Here you go. Awesome. We have found all the puzzle pieces. Now, we need to put the puzzle together. It's like playing Tetris. This piece should go in the corner. This is a simple shape. I think this one will fit right here. Looks like a reversed staircase. Love this puzzle. It's so colorful. I'd better flip it. Wrong position. Yep. Nah, that's right. The last row. It comes together so well. And the last piece. Woohoo, awesome! The puzzle with professions is complete. Now, it's time to put together this one. We gotta arrange these pieces. In the corner it goes. Perfect fit. What if I put this piece here? Wrong. That's how it should be. And the last one. We've done it. Great job, my friends. Now we know more about colors, shapes, and professions. And what's your favorite profession? See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.